Now this is a titanic battle between Mercedes and BMW. Both are desperate to win. There's going to be a new AMG dealership on Macau, and Mercedes are here in force. They have 4 cars entered, and they are absolutely determined to beat BMW. Don't forget, Manuel Piro won this race last year.
But yeah, guys, this is it. This is my 1991 BMW. It's a 318 IS, and this is currently the state that this car is in. We are gonna go with a different little setup. We are gonna keep the air suspension. We are gonna get different wheels, obviously. We are gonna put a new motor into it. I really don't know what I want to do with the engine yet, but I just wanted to introduce this car to you guys because I've been neglecting this car pretty bad. This car has been sitting in this exact spot for about 3 years now, and I got tired of just looking at it sitting. Hopefully this marks the first day of consistent progress on this car. This is an M54 B30. This thing came up on Facebook Marketplace for like 200 bucks. To be quite frank with you guys, I don't even know if this motor turns over. I know what you guys are thinking. You guys are like, Diego, what the hell is holding up your engine? Let's see if I can even turn it over. Without further ado, let's just get right into it. There's still some hard to get places that we still need to clean up. So in order to do that, we're gonna take off some of these accessories. So we'll take off the water pump, we'll take off this bracket, take off the oil filter housing. We might take off this thermostat housing, but we have to take everything off in the front so we can get into all these crevices. But look how clean this is on this one and this one. So I'm pretty excited. The only thing left is obviously the harmonic balancer. I don't really know if I'm gonna be able to take this off because one, I don't know if I have anything strong enough to take this off. All right, guys, so I didn't record it, but we finally got off the balancer. We got a crazy come up on one of those electric impacts, but we have it to the point where we have all the accessories off. And then as you can see, with all the accessories off, all this mess. So there it is. It cleaned up pretty well. Obviously there's still some spots where it's still pretty oily and stuff, but I mean, if you guys saw in that last shot, this was all covered in grime and oil and all that stuff. And look, pretty clean there. I didn't really touch the head because I'm gonna take it off. But yeah, overall not too bad. Not the best, but way better than what it was before. So I think the last thing that we're gonna do on this video is we're probably gonna take off this valve cover. We're gonna take off this valve cover and then we're gonna see how everything kind of looks, guys. I mean, it doesn't really look too bad. There's some, I don't know if this is scoring or what, but it's not like grooved or anything. It doesn't look too bad. So yeah, guys, that's it for this episode. This episode was just pretty much introducing you guys to the car and then showing you guys what motor we're gonna put into this. Please, if you guys have any like tips and tricks for this motor, please put it into the comments, because I know some about this motor. I don't really know much about it. Leave some comments on if there's things I should be careful about, things I should do. I know like the oil pump is a big one on these. It'd be a pretty big learning experience with this car. Yeah, that should be it for this episode, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I hope that you guys are going to be excited for this little series that we got with this car, because I definitely am.